Welcome to Ottawa, Canada, where we live and we work. Today we're going to tell you all about digital real estate and especially condos, what we're super passionate about. Welcome to our office at Digi Companies. This is where we come every day to attempt to make technology and real estate better for everybody. This is Ottawa's Condominiums, one of our first digital web products that we're super happy about. This is where all consumers in our city can come, research all buildings for sale, and if there is something for sale, you'll see a blue marker, and you can then go there and find the perfect condo. Hi, I'm Mziray from Digi Companies for Human World Insight.